Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on your Nokia G11. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. From here, click on the search button and enter Microsoft Edge. Hit the search button, click this app and install it. And after installation is complete, we can open our app. From here, begin the customization. First, sign in to turn on sync. So here you can add account or sign into any other account for the synchronization to be enabled. Now, I'm gonna do it later. You can also set up your data sharing preferences. If you want to accept it, leave that button right here enabled. If not, turn it off and then press confirm. You can set Microsoft Edge as your default browser, so simply click Set as Default. Here you need to choose Edge, set as default, and that way your browser will be ready. We can open any website. And as you can see, it works without any problem. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.